How to make a Spotify artist account. Let's dive into the video. First thing, sign up with a distributor like DistroKid. To get a Spotify artist account, you must put music on the platform through a distributor. Spotify uses them to prevent copyright infringement, and without one, you cannot make an artist profile. After this, upload the highest quality lossless versions of your music. Format your tracks as the FLAC or WAV files, then upload them to your distributor. Fill out the metadata form with the name you produce under, the name of everyone who worked on the track, the cover art, and a release date. Spotify recommends using the FLAC format over the Mac. Allow 7 days between your upload date and your release date. Now all you have to do is claim your artist profile and link it to your music. Go to artist.spotify.com claim and follow the prompts to claim your account. Once you have access to your profile, you can upload a picture, bio, artist, pics, clip, and canvases. To claim your account, click Artist or Manager, then Continue. Log in if you have not already, then select Continue under Claim Artist Account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.